4 Japanese techniques to overcome laziness. Number 1, Ikigai. Find your reason to wake up every morning. Your Ikigai is the intersection of your strength, passion, and the world's need. It is what gives life profound meaning. Number 2, focus on a small, consistent improvement every day. Progress doesn't require giant leap. Aim to focus forward and step by step. Number 3, Shoshin. Approach task with a beginner mindset. Don't worry about being perfect or having all answer. Just be open to learning and trying new things. Alright. And number 4, Hara Hachi Bu. Instead of overeating, stop when you are 80% full. This way you will feel more energetic. Follow me for the more. Thank you.